How to choose which apps are visible when your wrist is down on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the clock face by press on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into your app screen or the home screen. And then tap on the settings app. Next, we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Then scroll down and tap on always on. Next, we scroll down and tap on show apps. Make sure you turn on show apps by tapping on the toggle button at the top. And then you can scroll down and choose which apps are visible when your wrist is down. So scroll down and then choose which app you want to show or hide when your wrist is down. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to return back to your previous settings page, or press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.